Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Well, I have a new favorite friend in my kitchen. It's cute, durable, and functional for a multitude of needs. This adorable trivet tree from artgeeker is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so impressed with its durability. I have used them time and time again. I've put piping hot pans on them for an extended period of time, and they show no signs of scorch marks. Not to mention, when they're done, you simply stack them back together, and it makes an adorable tree that serves as a centerpiece and a conversation point. I love the look of the wood. You can see the grain lines, and it's like a little art piece on my dining room table. The one I have is walnut, but it also comes in beech wood. I also love that you can use these as coasters to protect your furniture from watermarks, and if they get wet, you just simply dry them off and stack them back together for next time. So if you're looking for a cute and functional way to protect your furniture from watermarks and scorch marks, then I highly recommend this adorable trivet tree from artgeeker. And that's my point of view.